Have you ever wondered why some false lashes or lash extensions look absolutely stunning on your friend but just don't seem to work for you? The secret isn't in the length or the volume, but in the shape. Choosing the right lash shape for your specific eye type can completely transform your look, making your eyes appear bigger, brighter, and more balanced. It's like custom tailoring for your eyes. So let's dive in and find your perfect lash match. First up, let's talk about almond eyes. If your eyes are oval-shaped with slightly upturned outer corners, you've hit the jackpot. Almost any lash style looks fantastic on you, but to really enhance that beautiful shape, a cat eye style is your best friend. This style features shorter lashes on the inner corner that gradually get longer towards the outer edge. This winged out effect elongates your eyes even more, creating a sultry, lifted look. It's a classic for a reason, adding a touch of glamour without overwhelming your natural shape. Now, what if you have round eyes? Round eyes are characterized by being almost as wide as they are tall, and you can usually see the whites of your eyes all the way around your iris. The goal here is to elongate the eye and make it appear more almond-shaped. Again, the cat eye style is a winner. The longer lashes on the outer corners will pull the eye outwards, creating a beautiful winged effect. Another great option is a squirrel style, where the longest lashes are placed around the middle to outer part of your eye, just before the very end. This adds length and lift without making the eye look even rounder. Next, we have monolid eyes. Monolid eyes have a less defined or non-existent crease. The key here is to create dimension and an illusion of depth. A wispy, multi-layered lash with a slight curl is perfect. Look for styles that are longer and more dense in the center of the lash band. This opens up the eye vertically, making it appear larger and rounder. A D curl or L curl can also be fantastic, as the strong upward curl helps to lift the lash line and open up the eye, preventing the lashes from disappearing into the lid. Let's move on to hooded eyes. Hooded eyes feature an extra layer of skin that droops over the crease, causing the eyelid to appear smaller. The challenge is to find lashes that are long enough to be seen but not so long that they tickle your brow bone. The best style is one with the longest lashes right at the center above the pupil. This creates a wide-eyed, doll-like effect that really opens up the eye vertically. A strong curl, like a D curl, is also crucial to lift the lashes up and away from the drooping lid, making your eyes look more awake and defined. What about downturned eyes? If the outer corners of your eyes slope downwards, the goal is to create a lift. You'll want to focus on styles that lift the outer corners. A cat eye might seem like the obvious choice, but be careful. If the lashes at the end are too long and heavy, they can actually weigh the eye down more. A better choice is the squirrel or kitten style, where the longest lashes are placed just before the outer corner, drawing the eye upward. This provides that desired lift without the risk of accentuating the downturn. Finally, let's look at upturned eyes, which are essentially a more pronounced version of almond eyes, where the outer corner is visibly higher than the inner corner. You already have a natural cat eye shape, so you can either enhance it or balance it. To enhance it, go for a classic cat eye style that follows your natural eyeline. To balance it and create a more rounded, open look, choose a doll eye style. This style, with its longer lashes in the center, will open up the middle of your eye and make your entire eye appear larger and more symmetrical. So, the next time you're picking out lashes, take a moment to look at your eye shape. Understanding what works for you is the key to unlocking your most flattering makeup look. It's all about celebrating and enhancing your unique features. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you find your perfect lash style. Don't forget to follow for more beauty tips.